Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we'll talk about Scorpio Tankers Incorporated, traded at New York Stock Exchange, ticker name STNG. Well, we already did analysis for Scorpio Tankers previously. We will add our video with previous analysis into description of this video. And to shortly remind you, the final decision there was that there are two buying boxes indicated for this one, and actually this is the first buying box, and then second buying box is in this area. And now it's the stocks follows actually exactly as predicted, and we are entering the area of buying box 2, where it might open for you very interesting opportunities. So actually, if you would follow our previous analysis and buy in box 1, then here you would be in position by this period. Then you can make this trade here, and with nice volatility is actually 2 waves, and then it could be even if you look quickly for possible gains, could be up to 10-15% gains here if you would sell and buy in these areas. And now actually stock goes further down, because here moving average 20, which is the green line, by the way, pre-moving averages are depicted here on the left description, works for the moment as a top trade channel, sometimes being pierced up through, like we see 28ish of July and also in the middle of August. Now what we see is a combination of white upwards candle and then white doji, which is usually in this situation is considered to be like a rather bearish than bullish, confirming again box 2 opportunity, and saying that overall the stock still might slightly fall down, and then it's a very interesting buy. Why is it interesting buy by then? Because we have levelings of moving average 20. If you look here, this was the one of the level, top level, then second level. Now we had a third level being slightly pierced, and this way it forms actually a solid lines to play further, and meaning that this is actually the gap to be filled up, one of the first levels. Then this would be another level to fill up, and actually every of these steps creates another level. Of course, to follow those higher levels we need really strong catalysts, but overall these are the levels, and most probably the first and second levels will be filled up after the box 2 is seeing its bottom. And if you would speak of the bottoms for box 2, then you can say actually that rough estimation would tell you is if this works as a channel. So this is the downwards channel. Once it's touched the dark line, here in price wise it would be something below 11, let's say 1050ish, 1070ish area. Then the strong rechargement should take place, because also slightly RSI is going down, creating slightly positive upwards pressure here. And also if you look at MACD, it's still indecisive, because it's like a kind of staying in the middle without having any positive upwards or negative downwards pressure here. This means that it's purely will be decided by RSI, possible any catalyst, positive one, and chart combination. From candles point of view, actually not chart, but candles point of view, the spring is being loading up. You can clearly see this trend, dark trend 1 of downwards behavior, that once it's tested another time should really show a positive upwards towards trend 1, because this is the pre-COVID situation, and mainly this will be first line to actually go through, and then it will start with levels depending on the catalyst here, of course. And overall, Scorpio Tankers is known to be deeply slowly going down, but then having the sudden moves. So once the movement upwards starts, it's expected to be really terrific actually. And yeah, if you are in time there, if you slowly buy and average down, it could be very worthy. In general, for these kind of slowly decaying stocks with so-called loading spring approach, you really need to be wise with your average downs. Don't be too harsh, too fast. Give it enough time to average down for every next step. And once the downwards trend one is reconfirmed again, should be action. Because if you look here, once it was reconfirmed, for example, about July, there was volatility action here. Then it was slightly kind of tendency to reconfirm in August. There was one wave. Then it was slightly reconfirm, well, not really confirmation, but going to vicinity with two trading session ago, we had a slight jump up, but then it will be deep reconfirmation with slight pierce down, then the spring will be loaded. Once there is any white strong candle combination, it will just really boost up, and then we will play on levels 1 or 2, depending on the catalyst, amount of people, and volume traded. So overall, very short term, Scorpio tankers, of course, still show some bullish behavior because trend line 1 should be strongly reconfirmed. It should be slightly pierced, and then there will be so-called spring release effect when it will go to levels 1, 2. 3 is not really probable, but still might be. And then it will be the nice play. But until that, be patient while buying and stay in it. And as I said, we did previous analysis, so box 1 played already, although didn't really recover towards levels 2 and 3, but still it shows nice opportunities, and the game is continuing as predicted, though taking a little bit longer time. So that's it for Scorpio tankers. Good luck with it. Now you know the levels, you know what to wait and to expect for. Once trend line 1 is reconfirmed, then the action should start. So good luck with it, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel. This way you will not miss our new videos and new opportunities for US-based stocks.